Kate, you know what I love about the summertime?
Hot dogs?
Hot dogs are good, but they're even better when you cook them over a campfire.
Ooh, yeah.
So today, we're gonna learn how to start a campfire. Are you ready?
Totally.
Awesome. First, you need your adult and a safe place to build your fire. I like to collect my fuel ahead of time so it's all ready to go. I've got some tinder, small stuff that's easy to burn, some kindling, slightly bigger, and then my bigger logs for when my fire's ready to go. When you're playing with fire, it's important to play safely. So keeping some water nearby and an adult who can help you to make sure that your fire stays in control and that you don't get hurt. Fires need oxygen to burn, so you need to build a structure that allows oxygen to flow through. I'm building something like a log cabin and a teepee. The air can flow through, ignite the tinder, which then ignites my kindling. Once your fire is going pretty good, that's when you can start to add your bigger pieces. I wish we had some hot dogs you could actually cook. When you're done with your campfire, make sure that you put it out all the way. That means douse it with lots and lots of water, and then stir it up to make sure that all the flames and all the heat is gone.